Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to look at another methodology for testing your experimental effects called one sample t-test. One sample t-test is a very simple method. Here what we are testing is whether the mean value measured from a sample is equivalent to the population mean value. So assume that you administer a stimuli, like say you use a website to teach students. Here in this case only one website, and you want to see whether the mean value of the marks obtained by students who visited this website is equal to a particular value, or is that mean value from the sample is equal to the population mean value. This is important if you are testing the mean value against a particular value, which might be considered to be very important in the context of a particular situation. So let's look at the data that I have developed for this test. As you can see, there are 25 students. All these students have accessed a mathematics learning website, and after 1 month they have all been tested using a mathematics question paper. We want to see whether they have achieved at least this is a sample, and whether this population mean is equal to the sample mean that we calculate from this, so that we can say that more or less, the marks that you get here is equal to maybe the population mean. We are unable to say this at this point in time because we do not know the standard deviation, and the population mean is heavily influenced by the sample standard deviation. So how do we conduct this test? Again, you go to Analyze, you go to Compare Means, and in Compare Means the second menu item is one sample t-test. So there you click there and select this variable. It asks for options. You click, there are no particular options that you need to click here, and then you click OK. So you have your results here. The mean here is 50.76 for the sample of 25 students, and the standard deviation is 10.35. So what is the significant value, and to what extent can we say that the mean we have observed from these 25 students can be kind of extracted to mean the mean value of the whole population? So that for that we look at this t-value significance. The t-value is 24.51 and the degrees of freedom is 24. So what is the significance value? Significance value is found to be 0, which is much less than 0.05, and therefore we can conclude that this mean value, that is 50.76 from the sample of 25, is more or less true to be the mean value for the whole population. Now we don't know how many students are there in the population, but generally if we try to use this website across hundreds of students, it is very likely that the mean value of the marks that they get would be very close to 50.76. Thank you.